Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily change sounds on your Windows 11 PC or notebook. If this video will be helpful, you can easily just write down below in the comment that it helped you, so when other people come here, they will know that it's like worth it. So the first thing that you want to do is go simply in the bottom, right click on the start, and then click settings. Now when you're gonna click on the settings, you want to simply click on system and be in sound, and when you're going to be here, you want to scroll down below and you're going to see advanced, then click more sound settings, wait until the pop-up will appear, sounds, and then when you're going to be in sounds, you want to click on a close program, browse it and choose it or browse it, and then how you do it, you just choose which one you want and then choose a sound which one you want while you're doing it, right? So this is pretty much it, and this is how you get to it. So thank you, have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.